Welcome back, everyone. We finally got the Samsung Galaxy S21 in the house. Now, Samsung didn't sponsor any of my videos, so I'm going to be completely honest, so we're just going to go with it, for better or for worse. Now, they did take Apple's approach this time around with the smaller box. I think I'm a fan of it. I really don't care. I do have more chargers. I would have been more mad had they kept the same price tag or even increased the price like Apple did. Luckily, they didn't do that. They decreased the price, so I think it's totally okay. And there we go. Finally got the stickers off. It only took me 45 minutes this time. So let's go ahead and unbox it this way. And as you can see, nothing in the box really here. You have the standard, I guess, paper, I guess. I think they could go without these things, but I think it's a nice touch, whatever. Now we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 right here. And as you can see, as soon as you take it out, honestly, you know what? Oh, that's why. It has this little plastic film on it. I was like, it feels just like glass. I guess we'll see how it feels. Now, it is ice cold, so that does feel really nice. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. I don't think I'm going to go through the setup right now because I do have a video basically going through the basics of the Samsung Galaxy S21. I want to save it for that. But the rest of the box, we pretty much have the standard paper stuff that we typically have. Now, we do have, what is this? Is this a USB-C? So we do have, So I guess we do have a USB Type-C charger in here. We just don't get the charging brick. And that's pretty much exactly what Apple did too. We didn't get the charging brick, but we still got the wire. And the rest of the inside, we just have these papers that nobody really cares about. And that's really it for the box, you know? I feel like they could still even slim down this packaging even more. It seems like there was just like a lot of just fluff they had in there. Now with the Samsung Galaxy S21 in and of itself, looking at it, first of all, let me go ahead and unpeel these stickers for all you weirdos who love this kind of stuff. And I know you don't like me talking in it now. It still comes with a glass screen protector, at least on the front. I think it's a glass, maybe it's not. And just found out it's not because it is a plastic that you have to take off. Now booting up the display, like I said, I'm going to not necessarily bore you with going through the process of it, but I think it actually does feel pretty good in the hand. Now, like I said, it is ice cold, so that may have a little bit of an addition to it, but you have the power buttons on the side, you have the volume buttons on this side, which I think they flopped. Actually, no, I think they were always on this side. Nothing on this side, no expandable storage this year, which is stupid. USB Type-C on the bottom, no headphone jack or anything like that. SIM card eject tray on the bottom too. And it's funny because I use my Samsung Galaxy S20 all the time, but I totally forget where the ports are. And on the back, we do have that new triple camera setup, which is the same, but it looks different. And I'll be honest, the plastic back, it really doesn't feel as bad as I thought. I feel like the Note 20 felt a little bit worse, but I feel like once this phone kind of warms up, because it's cold, like I stated, once it warms up a little bit, it'll probably start feeling a little bit more like plastic. But it really isn't that bad, actually. I think the Note 20 had it worse than this one, to be completely honest. Maybe that's just me, but that's pretty much a little unboxing. As typical, probably you guys already know this. I'm dropping 1 billion comparisons, reviews, all that good stuff happening very soon. So whenever I start those, best believe that it's just going to be Samsung Galaxy S21 for the next couple of weeks. So that's really pretty much it. That's a quick little unboxing. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it'd mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.